Did you know the United States once passed a civil rights law that didn't fully protect civil rights? That was the Civil Rights Act of 1960, signed on May 6 by President Eisenhower. It was designed to address voter suppression, especially the widespread discrimination against Black Americans trying to register to vote. The law allowed federal officials and referees to inspect local voter registration records and permitted judges to appoint referees to oversee elections in areas with a history of discrimination. Yet, those same referees turned a blind eye. The law didn't ban the intimidation tactics used to stop voters from voting or the literacy tests that prevented the illiterate who couldn't read ballots. Essentially, Black voters were still left at a disadvantage. Their vision of a better future blindfolded. Their voices crying for justice, unheard. It was as if they were fighting with their hands tied, justice so close, yet so far. Still, the 1960 Act was a critical step for the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Two of the most powerful civil rights laws in American history, essentially ending most Jim Crow laws. 60 years later, President Trump signed an executive order backruling protective acts included in the Civil Rights Voting Act of 1965, keeping the ties once binding minorities still hanging loosely. Cynthia, the history nerd.